Count them, 7 of the very top affiliate marketing programs in 2019 that will help you make multiple 6 figures, even 7 figures online if you get cracking and take action. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and I'm going to lay out for you 7 of the top affiliate programs that you should learn, that you should use to build an online affiliate marketing business. Several of these have contributed hundreds of thousands of dollars into our business, so we can vouch for them. They are awesome. So what you want to do right now, get out your pen and paper. I'm going to dive through all of this. I'll have links to all of the websites right there, so you don't have to go search for them. I have them all listed out, but get ready, guys, because this is how you create massive income online through affiliate marketing. Plus, to get more thorough training of exactly how to do all of this stuff step by step, grab access. Top link in the description. Click on that as this video ends, because we got amazing training that's going to help you set all of this up. Number 7 is actually a 2-for-1. Okay, I'm going to throw these in together. 2 sites, JVZoo and ClickBank. JVZoo and ClickBank. Essentially, these are places that people will provide usually digital products, but also sometimes physical products to you to market as affiliate marketers. Someone else creates the product. You come here, you find what you want to promote, and then you grab your link and you promote it, and then you get a cut of the commissions. Now, why is this so far down in the list? I know for a lot of people, they would say this is big for them. Well, here's the thing, guys. There's a lot of junk, if you will, on these sites. It's not necessarily the easiest place to find a solid offer that you can really stand behind, which is critical to the long-term success of your business. So be careful as you go through this. I would actually really investigate any offers that you're putting in front of people that come from these places, and make sure, honestly, I'd buy it myself, check it out if it's something that you actually really want to promote. And if it is, great. It can be a great offer. It can be a great fit for you and your audience. A lot of stuff, business, marketing, health, fitness. There's a very, very broad spectrum, even software stuff, all kinds of stuff that they cover here. So you can dive into these 2 websites, dig around a bit, but make sure that it's really something that you can stand behind before you promote it to your audience. Now, number 6 is called ShareASale. ShareASale. This is really more merchandise based in general. So you can look at their site, you see what's up right now, and it's stuff. It's like name brand stuff. Jillian Michaels got stuff on here, NBA Store, Gymboree. These are really big brands that are looking to get a leg up to allow all of us amazing internet marketers to promote their stuff for them. You can go in and sign up, and there's an affiliate login right here. You can learn, if you're new to affiliate marketing, they'll go through all the basics with you. But say you are building a YouTube channel all about fitness and you love Jillian Michael, and she's got, it looks like probably some apparel going on this website. So maybe she got some nice sports bras, some leggings, whatever, and you can, do a video in that clothing and tell people, hey guys, I love this new sports bra. It's so, supportive, and these leggings have great pockets and blah, blah, blah. They're by Jillian Michaels. I absolutely love them. Click the link in the description to get your very own. It can be really that simple. And so there's already a level with your audience. With some of these big brands, they're going to know who Jillian Michaels is. They're going to know who Gymboree is. They're going to know to have some brand recognition already. So it's a really easy referral for you to make some commissions with this. Number 5 is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels. Now, if you're into internet marketing, if you're on here to learn how to build an online business, what's one tool that you need to have? You need to be able to create your own customizable capture pages so you can generate leads, so you can make sales funnels. ClickFunnels is amazing for that. Super easy drag and drop templates that you can use for building funnels, for capturing your lead information, to building out your entire sales process. So if it's something that you need to use anyway, it's often a very good opportunity as an affiliate, because if it's something that you're using, you can easily do a review about it. You can easily stand behind it because you know what it's like. You're a customer yourself. And I always think that's key when you're looking for an affiliate program, that you're a customer as well, so that you have that level of credibility and you know what you're putting your reputation on the line for. You can trust ClickFunnels because you use them yourself. Todd and I refer a lot of people to ClickFunnels. It is a great system. Not only do they have all the capture pages, which is their main thing, you can do membership sites with, which is not a recommended method. It's definitely not, but their funnels are amazing. They also have really, really great training, and Russell Brunson he's honestly one of the very best in the industry, a great person to learn from. Number 4, Amazon Associates. Super duper easy, guys. This is anything on Amazon. You sign up as an associate and you can refer people to it, whether it's an ebook, actual published book, physical product, anything at all. You can grab a link and promote it on your YouTube, Instagram, wherever you're building your audience online, even to your email list. Now, because we're talking mostly here about physical products with Amazon, you're not looking at quite as high a commission. So the percentage of commissions is less. So you're only looking at typically typically 5 to 7% of a sales price is what you would be making. Now, I have it as number 4 because it has a infinite number of products that you can promote. It's huge, right? Amazon is I think the biggest business, the biggest company in the world. It's amazing. So you can really promote anything, and it can fit any industry, any niche. ClickFunnels is amazing. It has digital products, which has higher commissions, but it's a more targeted audience that would be interested in purchasing and using the ClickFunnels tool. Number 3 is ActiveCampaign. This is our email autoresponder. Guess what? Anybody at all, no matter how techie or non-techie they are, if they're looking to build an online business, what is the one thing that you need to successfully do that? You need an email autoresponder system. Our favorite one, we've had Aweber, we've had Infusionsoft, and we've tried, I think Todd's played with GetResponse and a few of the other ones as well. ActiveCampaign, hands down, best one that we've worked with, has all the features and the functionality that you can do really, complicated stuff with if you want to, but it's way more user-friendly and way easier to use than something like Infusionsoft. It has a super simple user interface that makes it just a breeze to use. Now, this is a great offer. Again, it's a digital product. It is a subscription offer. So when people purchase, they sign up, they want to use ActiveCampaigns. Well, guess what? When someone starts building an email list, it's a pain in the butt to switch to a different service. So they want to switch to Aweber, GetResponse, something else. It's not easy. I mean, it's not hard, but it's a pain in the butt to do. It takes time. Whenever you're looking at something like a tool like this, people often will have their subscriptions for a very long time because they have an email list. They're building that and they need somewhere to house it. And it's just easier to keep it in the same spot. So you can have long-term members that signed up through you that you keep getting paid from, which is awesome. And it's a digital product, so you're definitely looking at higher commissions than, say, something with Amazon, which is just physical products and much, much less. Number 2, this one is near and dear to our hearts. This is Miley System Pro, MLSP, and it's where we got our start on internet marketing, and they really taught us how to do what we do. There's only one other person beyond Todd and I have reached the very top leadership level in their company as an affiliate. So I've referred a lot of people here. Why? Because I wholeheartedly believe in it. They've got amazing training, internet marketing training. They've got amazing tools on top of that where they'll host your blog for you. They have a customer relationship management or CRM system. They have done for you funnels and giveaways for anyone in the home business opportunity space. And they've got customizable capture pages, something like ClickFunnels, right? But it's all in the same program. And now they even made it better by allowing you to create your own and sell your own digital products and membership sites all through that same membership in Miley System Pro. So hands down, if you're going to build an online business, you need these tools anyway. So you can get it all in one stop and great training and a great community. And guess what? You can be an affiliate for it. It's a win-win. I can't tell you enough. Anyone who's in affiliate marketing, who's doing this sort of industry and niche should be involved with Miley System Pro, and they should be an affiliate so that you can refer your own people to this amazing program. They have varying memberships and you'll make, between 30 and 50% depending on what level you're at. We're at the top, so we make that top level. Now, if you're just starting out, you're still going to make 30%, and they give you a referral bonus for the very first month, which is like 70%, I think, of the actual first month of membership. So it is, again, a membership site. That means you get month after month commissions. We've had people that signed up as members with us years ago and are still paying their monthly subscriptions, and that means we're still getting paid for that one-time job of referring them. Now, on top of that, that person is locked to us for life. That means if MLSP offers a one-off training program, they do a launch or something, great. They purchase, we make the commission. Just because we referred them, 2 years ago and they did a trial, they might not be an active member now, but they purchased a training, we get paid for that. That's awesome. They also have some bigger programs, some higher ticket stuff where they're doing one-on-one coaching, some done-for-you things that folks who are really want to go as fast as possible can invest in with them. And as an affiliate, that is sweet money. Getting that email that someone just made a big upgrade, they purchased this big thing, you don't even know who they are. You just referred them to the system and you're getting big checks coming in because they love what they're seeing and they want more help with it. Maybe some hand-holding, some coaching, some done-for-you stuff, whatever. Awesome. As an affiliate, making that one-time referral and getting all that money down the road, that's a win-win. And finally, drum roll please. The number one affiliate program that we recommend for people looking to make full-time income online is Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer. This is an amazing training program that teaches people how to be digital marketers, how to drive traffic, how to build an audience, how to create your own digital products, how to hold live masterminds, how to do all this stuff, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I love it because not only do they do a lot of the technical stuff of like what to do and how to do it, but they also work on the head game, which is the hang up for honestly 99% of the people out there that don't actually succeed. It's because they got their head game wrong. They're great at that as well. I love what they're doing. I love the direction of the company, and I love as an affiliate the huge earning potential that they have. They have price points, starting off at $30 all the way up to thousands of dollars. So it can fit whatever customer base that you have, but those high-end commissions, that allows you as an affiliate to have $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 days when just 1 or 2 or 3 big sales come in. It's huge, huge earning potential. And I'm not just about making money for the sake of making money. I need to know and believe in a company and an offer and that it's worth the price tag that they're putting on it. And I can tell you, I've been to some of their higher level stuff, the things that cost quite a bit, and they've made huge financial impacts in my business personally, even as a leader, even as someone who's kind of been around and had a lot of success. I just went to one of their live masterminds, came home, made 16 grand. I had a mind shift, right? I learned something. I was taught something. And so I truly believe in what they're doing. I love the system. I love the training, and I love the opportunity for those that want to go out there and get it. Now, all of these programs, each and every one of them, guys, remember, links are down in the description so that you can get access to them. And our number one training to help you put this all together, top link in the description. Please know I'm rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you deserve. If this is the very first video you're seeing, why, hello. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button so that I can help you do that. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com. Head over to this video, watch this one next after you click on that training, get access. Then if you're going to stick around on YouTube, that's your next video. Take care. Have a blessed day.